YouTube, welcome to another YouTube video on UATech. Now this video is actually different compared to any other video that I've made. This is actually the very first HitFilm Pro tutorial that I made. Now someone recommended Scene Price, one of my subscribers. She recommended that you should make a video on HitFilm Pro, the green screen effect, how to add a green screen effect to your video using HitFilm Pro. So I was like, okay, you know what, I'll make a video for her because she's a subscriber. So the first thing, of course, is you need to download HitFilm Pro. Here, as you guys can see, this is the main menu for HitFilm Pro. Alright, and it says HitFilm Pro in the corner, and here you have like links to different YouTube tutorials from the HitFilm YouTube HitFilm YouTube channel themselves. So you're gonna click on new, and then you're going to make sure it's 1080p Full HD 60 FPS. Alright, and it needs to be 1920 pixels and 1080 pixels. And now we're going to go ahead and click on start editing, and you can see now it's loading. Alright, here we go. So this is where we edit. So we're going to import the files that we need for our editing. Alright, so let me just go ahead and select these files. Alright, I'm gonna select some more of them. Here we go, UATech, and there we go. We're gonna select these two and this one as well. Alright, so we got all of our files in. Now I'm going to go ahead and drop them one by one into our timeline. Alright, and yeah, so we're going to go ahead and drop them on. Let me just look for the one that I need. Yes, this one. Alright, this is my intro. I'm going to add that right next to the beginning of the loading effect. I'm going to go ahead and unlink the audio with the video and going to remove the audio. And I'm going to replace the audio with this. Alright, and going to go ahead and shorten this real quick. Going to add this image that I saved for my YouTube videos. Now if you normally go to my YouTube videos, you can see this image in the background. It's really cool. It's like a neon picture. So I'm going to add this, the main recording for my XEFX Pro Part 2 that I posted a few days ago, or I think yesterday, I'm not sure. Alright, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and make this longer, the same size as the main video itself. Alright, going to make sure it's the right size real quick, going to resize it. And now, finally, we add the green screen effect. This is like a subscribe and post notifications green effect that comes on the bottom of my screen in every single UATech video. Alright, so I'm going to add a timeline. I'm gonna add a timeline, a video timeline, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in two sections, the beginning of the video and the end of the video. So go into your effects folder, your effects section here in the bottom left, and I'm going to search for GREE, almost spelling green, and you're going to here you can see green screen key effect, and I'm going to go ahead and change the gamma real quick so it's kind of visible, the effect is visible. So like I said, go into your effects, search for green, and go ahead and drop that green screen effect. Go ahead, I'm gonna do the same thing for the other one. Go into my gamma. Alright, and going to increase the gamma to 2.80 or 2, something like that. And I'm going to go ahead and check
that I want to show you, but in the future. For now, we're gonna do Magic Sky. But
alright, you can see that's the effect right there. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove it, and I'm going to show you the before, how it used to look and how it is now.
We have layout effects, camera effects, animated text.
Alright, so you can see that it's all greenish, like you can barely see anything. But once you add the green screen effect, the green is gone, and go ahead change the gamma, and it's brand spanking new. It's back to normal. Same thing with the other one. Like you can see that how cool it is. green screen really is really powerful if you want to add effects. Alright, so I'm going to add my outro last but not least, and I'm going to go ahead and trim the timeline right here to where I want it. I'm going to go a few frames forward. Alright, going to drag this timeline here and trim it to there. Go to my export, and I'm going to go ahead and export it, and we're done. That's how you can add a green screen effect. Alright, so let me just show you again how it looks. The effect that I used is this one. I will be putting this in the description if you guys want to add it. The subscribe animation. You can change it to however you want.
That in the last video. I'll be putting that link in the description. And also, that's it. Yeah, that's it. We got done with Magic Sky, so that's it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe.
That's how the effect works. It goes up and down. Like, it goes up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and then it goes back down. Alright, that's it. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on those post notifications, go ahead, smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next UATech video. Bye!